Amanda Seales, rightfully, whether you trust her or not, tells the truth about the Supreme Court being the ones that roll black protections for black people. It's not a party thing. It's a government systems thing. Because most black people, when you talk civil rights, they think that shit's only the 1960s. No, nigga. The original civil rights legislation was the 1860s. All them rights, the right to vote, the right to all these different rights, to get jobs, to be treated as equal citizens, all that shit got addressed with the civil rights legislation between 1866 and 1874. What happened? Each time in the 1800s, it was a Supreme Court law that weakened those laws for black people. And the Supreme Court also made it to where they used laws created for black people and applied it to corporations. Supreme Court, what it does is it takes laws that were meant for black people, it waters them down, saying although this country targets you based on race, you cannot have solutions based on race. And they redistribute the gains to other groups of people and to corporations. The reason why corporations can pay money to all these local politicians to influence law is because corporations are seen as humans. Something that the Supreme Court voted for back in 1977 based off the 13th Amendment. 13th, 14th, and 15th Amendment is going to benefit corporations. And the reason why there's so much corporate favoritism, and the reason why we seem as us regular citizens, black, white, whatever race, we're all victims of these laws that corporations put in place. But the reason why corporations can put these laws in place is because they use civil rights legislation of the 1800s and the 1600s for themselves. It's always a Supreme Court that waters these things down. But if you're some fucking idiot going around, well, I can't trust Amanda Seales, you just missed the fact, nigga. This whole discussion is, if you check, all you gotta do is Google this very channel. As a matter of fact, let me do it in front of you. Let's see, Dwann B, Amanda Seales. Let's do this right in front of you. On this very channel. Well, how do I search my own channel? Thought I was searching my own channel. Oh, maybe because she's trending right now, so all the other stuff is coming up. But search this very channel for Amanda Seales, and you'll find no shortage of programming that I have here talking about different things that she said in the past. How do I search my channel? Let me go to my channel. Okay. I thought I was there. And for some reason it's not coming up. But you can go through my goddamn channel and you can find plenty of topics on Amanda Seales here. Here we go. Oh yeah, I talked about her real good on this one. I'm talking about D.L. Hewley. Okay, yeah, she was talking about, oh yeah, I even did a reading of her back in the day to find out why she's so goddamn crazy a year ago. Here, I did one on here when she was going in on the cast of Insecure. And I ain't talk crazy, but I said a lot of shit about Amanda Seales on this here. I know who the fuck she is. But just because she's done certain things in the past don't mean I can't use this to break down what's going on now. You niggas ain't teaching me shit about Amanda Seales. the fact of the matter is, it's the Supreme Court every time. The Democrats play black people, Republicans play black people. Republicans are the reason why we got so much. The initial civil, look, black people. This is a fact. Our civil rights of the 1800s came from the Republicans. It was Republican Ulysses Grant as president. It was all the black Republican members of Congress. It was Republicans that got us reconstructions. It was the Supreme Court that stripped it. In the 1960s, the Democrats, Kennedy, Lyndon Baines Johnson, gave us a little bit of something. A little bit. And it was the Supreme Court that stripped it away. Black people, we've been hustled twice from each party, by each party, 100 years apart, on this terminology called civil rights. And that's why someone like me is more equipped to have this kind of conversation. As dope as Amanda Seales is, she just doesn't have the depth of knowledge in this country, partially because part of her lineage comes from somewhere else. And I get it. I'm not criticizing her. She knows what most people who study Black American history through white universities know. She knows the white interpretation of Black history. Well, I know the Black interpretation of Black history. And I understand that there were free Black people, Mound Bayou, in Arkansas, Mississippi, during the 1870s, 60s, 90s. I know that. But I also know that when we forensically study this country, the Republicans gave us a shot, the Democrats gave us a shot, 100 years apart. There's one organization of the three branches of government that's been consistent, and that's the Supreme Court.